section 7 or section 2 of chapter 7. Again, adding, subtracting rational functions. So here gives this estimate of oil well pumps and thousands of barrels. If X years are pumping, we can give the rate at which it pumps by this equation. Okay, so basically we just want to combine, make one simple fraction instead of two, right? So again, we just look for the common factors. This factor is only x, right? This one, it has an a 3 and it has a c 20, right? So there's no b in here for this quadratic to factor it. So how you factor this is you would want to you could do quadratic formula, or you could still do cab, right? So c times a would be 60, and then b is 0. But these two numbers would need to be opposites, right? Like 6 plus 6 and minus 6. Well, there's no square root of 60, right? So that's kind of not going to work out. So the only thing I can do here is I can't really factor. Okay, I could do quadratic formula, that would find solutions, but it wouldn't find the factors, right? It can, but the factors are probably imaginary, okay? Because really this graph looks like this. So it's not going to have, it'll have imaginary solutions. So, all right. Now, all I want to do is I can't factor it, so the only factor is this two terms right here. So this one has an x, this doesn't have an x. As a factor, yes, it has an x squared in it, but that x squared is not a factor. It's just part of the binomial here, right? So this one on the bottom needs to be multiplied by x, and then this one doesn't have these two terms, 3x squared plus 20. So this one on the right has to be multiplied by 3x squared plus 20. I have to multiply by that x, and then on top I also have to multiply it by 3x squared plus 20, by the 20 on top, and then this fraction, the 200, has to be multiplied by x. Oh, I guess it's already multiplied by x, but it needs another one, because on bottom I had to multiply that 3x squared by 20 times an x. Okay, so this becomes 200x squared plus 60x squared plus 2 times 2 is 4, add 2 zeros, 400, all over x times 3x squared plus 20. Okay, so now I can just distribute or combine like terms on top, so I get a 260x squared plus 400, and then on bottom distribute that, and I get a 3x cubed plus 20x, and so that would be my simplified expression. Okay, because there's no factors I can factor out, right? So that would be it for that one.